a challenge for you. I want you to see if you can touch your toes, and if not, how close you can get to the floor. So your check for this is to take your hands to your hips, align your hips over your heels, and hinge forward. What's gonna wanna happen as you hinge forward, you're gonna wanna shift your hips back so you get closer to the floor. But I want you to keep your hips right over your heels. You're gonna feel more weight in the balls of your feet. Hinge forward. Notice how far you can go. If you have a mirror or someone that can watch you, that's great. And then, once you notice how you feel in your body, then you can flex your spine, see if you can touch the floor. If not, see how close you can go. And then, take one ball, ideally the smallest size works best for the feet. Roll across the transverse arch, roll the length of the foot, the plantar fascia, and then spend a few minutes or a few moments on the heel, probably 2 minutes total on each foot. Go back, do it again. See if it makes any difference to the way your back, hamstrings, or just your body in general